Hey gang, we have changed gears here from sanding and bondoing the cabinet. We're just going to let that dry. It's going to take some time. It's cold, actually. It's about 0 outside and this garage is not heated. My heater is the lights actually. But that's all right. Or this Tim Hortons coffee. You could add that as a warmer upper. But we are going to dabble in a little bit of electronics here, some solder. First thing I need to build some alligator clips. So I got some wire here, red, black. I'm going to need that for other projects and testing, and I got some alligator clips here to attach them to. I'm also going to build this tool that you need to discharge the monitor with. So here's the monitor. I just have it harped in a little bit. But underneath this suction cup type thing is the way to discharge this tube. So the tube, if it's been recently used, will hold a charge even after it's all unplugged and everything disconnected. And so in order to discharge that, we actually take a big screwdriver, go underneath the suction cup, and actually just short it to ground. And then what happens on this screwdriver here will be a wire, and you connect it to the frame of the TV or the monitor, and it'll just short it out, and then that's the way you've discharged that voltage, and it's safe to work on. So I'm just going to build this tool here. That's actually even in the Galaga manual to use this type of tool with the wire on it. And I'm just going to get set up with that, get some solder out, and be right back. Alright, so I stripped this wire, my wire strippers, strip that end off, and used a little bit of sandpaper. Grab some sandpaper, make sure I got some decent metal, see if we can get a good bond here. See if that'll stay while I operate this iron here. I can get this set up. Okay, I got it on there. Just actually took out the grinder, got to the bare steel of that screwdriver, and kind of gobbed it on there, but it's on there for now. I'm sure my soldering skills will get better after some time. I'm going to take this end, put it on here. Actually, the guts of that are right here. We'll attach that, and we'll have our discharging tool ready for when we work on the monitor. Okay, we're back. We have constructed the discharging tool for the monitor. It never went exactly as planned, of course, but it's together. There's no real reason I use yellow wire. It's just some extra wire that I had here. I'm going to save the red and black for when I get or hook up these leads. So I'm just going to check continuity, that everything is together here. So we can put a ground on here. Ground on there. And if we touch the end of the screwdriver, we get a beep. It means everything's connected. It's built properly. Okay, so actually I'll show you how this tool works, and we can discharge this monitor. So we just ground it to the frame. Take this screwdriver, and we just short out the tube. The other hand in your back pocket, if you're not holding a phone, and you'll reach under. If it has any charge, you'll hear a snap. Don't think it will. No, I hear no snap. It's just the wire rubbing. So, see if we can just pop it right off. Hang on. Sorry, gang. Sizzle out. Can you see there? Yeah, there's little clips in there that come off if we push on one. Get it to come off. Oh, I think I got one. There, got the other. Okay, see that? Put that aside. Again, we'll take our screwdriver, short that out there. There's nothing. It's been sitting dead for quite a long time. So that's how we discharge a monitor. All right. We will talk to you soon. Out. All right. A little bit of soldering. We got some things together. Some ends on these leads so we can check, electronics when we get to that point. And now I want to check on, what do you call that darn thing? I'm gonna call it. Linda calls it, but it's a tool cleaner. They're quick and easy. I'm gonna bring this inside and see how we did. Oh, it's a little bit rusty. Rusty. It's been going for about 6 hours, something like that. And yes, that's snow. Starting to snow here. That's not bad. It's only 0 degrees or 32. Not bad. I don't want any of this moisture in there. I don't think it's going to help that any. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Yes, let's see if my parts from the machine got cleaned up. There's so much rust, but sometimes it takes days and days. Let's see. Yeah, see that rust coming off there. Slowly. That one's getting cleaned up. Rust is all loosening off. There's some pieces of wood that came off these leg levelers. Oh, they still need more work. Might be too many things in here, actually. Anything else? Oh, I can see a pin for back wheels. Oh yeah, that's shined up way more than it was. We'll give her a few more days, probably another 12 hours actually. What else is in there? Before we take everything else. Yeah, another leg leveler. Yeah, slowly all getting cleaned off. Let's see how well it does in another 12 hours. All right. Cheers.